Hello dear students, welcome to the online session of Notice Skill Center. This is Purzi again, your course trainer for retail services. Today's session is from our core module Visual Merchandising, Unit 3, Prepare Display Area. Our today's topic for discussion is the ways of arranging merchandise. Here, we will learn about different ways of arranging merchandise in retail store. Lesson objective. At the end of this lesson, students should be able to describe the ways of arranging merchandise. There are 5 common ways of arranging merchandise which we are going to learn in this lesson today. So our first one is step pattern. It gives the feeling of motion. More items a customer sees, greater the chances are that he will see something that he likes. So in this pattern, the fixtures which hold the merchandise are placed one above the other like steps. This kind of arrangement gives a feeling of motion. When the customer looks at the display, his eyes will move from one step to the rest. The more items a customer sees, the greater are the chances that he will see something that he likes. The second one is radiation pattern. It is similar to the rays of the sun. It is used to draw customers' attention to the main item displayed. Put main object in the center, spread out the other items in the display from the main object. Here the radiation pattern is similar to the rays that comes from the sun. With this pattern, you can arrange your display in the same way. Put the main object in the center as the sun. Spread out the other things in the display from the main object like rays of the sun. For example, a mannequin can be the main object in a display. You then arrange other accessories in a circle around the mannequin. Here the radiation pattern is used to draw customers' attention to the main item displayed. The third type is pyramid pattern. Shaped like a triangle, often seen in supermarkets. Easy to use, especially for displaying canned food. Useful when displaying a lot of merchandise within a small space. The pyramid principle applies to a triangular merchandise display. Pyramid pattern arrangement is shaped like a triangle pointing upwards. You can often see this type of pattern of arrangement in supermarkets and department stores. This is easy to use, especially for displaying canned food. This arrangement is also useful when you have to display many merchandise within a small space. Fourth type is zigzag pattern. This pattern looks like the shape of a Z. Each level overlaps or juts out from the level immediately above it. The zigzag pattern is like the step pattern, except that it does not build up to a point at the top, but each level overlaps or juts out from the level immediately above it. The merchandise therefore appears to zigzag its way to the top. You might notice that this pattern looks like the shape of a Z or a series of Zs. Fifth type is repetition. Put similar merchandise in a row or several rows, used on shelves that are close together. Advantage: do not need a lot of space, easy to do. Disadvantage: might not be interesting to the eyes. Repetition simply means that you put similar merchandise in a row or in several rows. This is easy to do, but it might not be as interesting to the eye as the other patterns. Repetition is the only arrangement that is used on shelves that are close together. This is because the other patterns need more space. Otherwise, customers would not be able to see the patterns. Hope you have understood everything from today's session. For any doubts and clarification, please get in touch. Dear students, please stay at home. Do your work assignments regularly. It's tempting to wait until the last minute, but avoiding works creates more stress. Avoid going out for any reason. Signing off, stay fit, study hard and stay home. See you soon. Bye bye. Have a great day.